Our tool supports a multilingual interface. You can select your preferred language. Today, we're doing a Cummins injector reset with a Launch X 431. Let's get started. Go to Special Functions, then select Maintenance Reset. Choose Cummins and tap Confirm. Select Auto System Scan, then tap Start Diagnosis. From the list, choose Fuel Injector Reset. Now select the number of cylinders, then tap Reset. You can select individual injectors, or choose Select All for a full reset. Tap Confirm, and wait for the process to complete. Once the program runs successfully, the job is done.